Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Now, before I answer the question, I just wanted to let you know that should you need legal assistance,
we are road traffic accident claims specialists.
we offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee claims, so there's nothing to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience.
To find out if you can claim compensation, call 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk.
In the UK, pedestrian accidents are a common occurrence, having a serious impact on the victim's life, causing injuries that can have a devastating effect on the victim's day-to-day life and in some cases result in death. From being hit whilst using a crossing to being struck down by a careening vehicle, there are all sorts of accidents that fall under this category. If you've been involved in an accident of this nature, then you may be able to claim for compensation. Today, I'm going to be looking at how to claim compensation for pedestrian accidents. When considering road traffic accidents, pedestrians are the most vulnerable victims. Motorists have seatbelts and airbags, bikers will have protective clothing and a helmet, but it's pedestrians who will often get the full force of the blow with little protection. Pedestrian accidents typically occur when a person is attempting to cross the road, be it at a pedestrian crossing or not. But they can also occur when a vehicle leaves the road and goes onto the pavement. If you wish to bring a claim for compensation, there are a number of things that you can do to help your claim. The first, if you're able to, is call the police. If you're unable to do this, try to get someone else to. Again, if you are able to, take photographs of the accident area and the vehicle or vehicles involved. Then, write down the contact details of any potential witnesses. If the police have attended, they are likely to have done this. Seek treatment for your injuries and note the date and time of this treatment, as it may make it easier to track down records for evidential purposes. Finally, keep records of all bills and receipts for any expenses incurred as a result of your accident. We recommend that your next step should be to reach out for legal assistance with a personal injury solicitor with experience in this field like legalexpert.co.uk. We offer a free, no obligation consultation session where we can help you establish what your next best steps are. During this session, you should be prepared to answer the following questions. Where, when and how was the accident caused? What happened leading up to the incident and afterward? Were you alone? Were there any witnesses? Do you feel you are at all responsible for the accident occurring? What is the extent of the injuries that were caused by the accident? Has your work or income suffered because you've been restricted by your injuries caused by the accident? Has anybody else had to care for you? Are you experiencing any long-term health problems because of the severity of your injuries? Now, once we've been able to establish what we believe your next best step is, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. That means that there's no upfront fees and nothing to pay if you lose. Of course, the circumstances of each accident are never the same. And whether or not you believe that you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So, if you'd like further assistance to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim, we have a team over at legalexpert.co.uk offering free advice via our live chat and on our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim.
Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.